Wow, God. Thing good. Party shot last night.
Nice survive, man. After 4 minutes, what time is it?
Why I'll know me not sleep yet. Mad and mean. I bodies like this next year I'm murder.
6 o'clock.
Come here, my people, and share up this live here. Share up this live here.
That's nice one.
Yeah, man, last
Yeah,
night
girl,
was mad.
like party, you know?
Yeah, man.
I'm like, fuck it, body what I want, dog.
Share up this live here, people. Share up this live here. Yeah, man. Baltimore. Come out last night. Good. Nice look.
I think I go good, man. Food, I sell everything. Body, I drink. I drink wines, I want body, I reason. You got enough, bro.
Girl, come on, enough.
If I get what now, you got enough.
But then I want to address this situation here, because I want to sit down and say I go around on live and go around on the whole of the blog of them I post. So I want to address the situation, because I'm tired of it. Tired of them. Share up this live here. Call them love mix up. Bring them over here.
Dog. They can't spit lyrics, brother. I mean, any rhythm you jump on, bad man, any rhythm I will song enough for your rhythm, brother. The bomb buckle out there, brother. Brother, when you have so many, your lyrics have so many different patterns and style, like everything.
Everything are true, man.
What the fuck you say, brother?
True.
What's all about? You see how this? I saw them, Mr. Killy.
I really
Watch
talk,
it there
man.
further. What about the thing, you know?
True, man. Yeah, people, hear what I say still. Zine. Yo, why when? Yeah, well, I meant say they ever see people and I do your own thing. At them time they have some little germs. Feel to come call up your name. Especially as some people where you and them and a friend. Yo, you see the wolf them in a sheep clothes, them nothing, you know. You don't have to know them in a people. You don't have to know them in a so them come boy, you know. So them come boy, like them a sheep. But them a wolf. Now, this big head bumbuckler, big foot boy, my youth, what I'm telling you, come like your demons them ride you more time. Your demons them ride you sometime, brother. Why you always a call me name, me G? When me no see you, me no remember you. You never exist in a world, brother. Why you always choose to come out, come call my name? Me tell you, say, I want somebody to defend me. Mr. Defender of the Earth. Me tell you, say, I look somebody to defend me. Why the fuck you always come out and call my name? Big dirty stinking Batman Foota. Leave my name alone. Me and you is not friends. We are not associates. I don't deal with you. I don't know you. Why you don't stop calling my name on internet, brother? Look how far me stay from you. Look how me I live my life. Look how me I live my life. I'm alright. You know, see me I beg and I ask somebody for no help or for... Why you always I come call my name? Bro, leave my name out of your body mouth. That's all me I tell you, brother. Brother, leave my name out of your body mouth. Me and you is not friends. And from we is not friends, we are enemies. You hear me I walk, I beg, and I look hype like you? Every day you get up at talk, boy, you make Mavado rich. Make yourself rich now. Every day you get up and call people near me do this, me do that. Why you can't do it for yourself all now? Why is it that you cannot do it for yourself all now? Where you watch me for, brother? Where you watch out my life for? Me no business with nothing where you do over your side. So why you business with over the side, yeah? Why over the side, yeah, Matt? Where the over the side for you, brother? Not over the side for you, brother. Stay in your world. Do your thing. All Flexx. Why my name? Why my name? You ever hear me get up and talk how much things me do for people yet? Eh? All when me do, how much things me do for you? You ever hear me get up and talk it yet? You not discredit it. Don't you discredit it and come tell be a lie? Why you call brother? Don't call me name, G. No call me name, brother. Stop go on internet, go call me name, my youth. Stop call up me name, G. Look how much good things me do, boy. You ever talk about it yet? Why you always a come call me name, my youth? Stop call me name. Me and you no friend. Every day, so dog. Every minute, so like you have some time of the year where your head just take you. And you see people go through and you see people live alright and remember you. And you feel like, say, you're supposed to say something about it or you're supposed to have. Yeah, yo, I should have me, I should. Brother, leave me alone, me G. You ever hear me, you ever hear me talk about you yet? You ever hear me say nothing about you yet, brother? My youth, I can be very disrespectful, you know. I can be very, very disrespectful, you know, my youth. Me can tell you that, you know. And after me disrespect you, you can't thump me in my face, you know, my youth. Me I tell you that, you know. Leave me alone, my youth. And go dig up your bumbuckler, dead mama, and near my out. Simple as that, brother. Simple as that, bro. Because I not see you. Me not busy, me no matter what go on over your side. Whether good or bad. You never hear me forward and come say nothing yet. Me no want you be a speaker for me, brother. You be a speaker for everybody else, but not for me. Don't call me name. Stop call up my name. And as me say, dig up your dead mama and go near my batty boy. Me and he is no friend. You always are going like you want to use my name. You always are going like you want to use my name to make yourself look good or to make Mavado look bad. Brother, live your life now. You not say you make Mavado rich. Go and go make yourself rich now, brother. You just take set from people, some bro. Want to you. My youth, stop call up my name, my G. Me not busy. My youth, me not give me no glory, no give me no want nothing from your brother. Leave my name out of your mouth. Me not take ratings from batty mouth people. You understand me? I say, me not need a friend from your G. You understand me? I say, you know, say me I am a friend, brother. You know, say me not like you. And you choose to come call up my name. Why you always do it, bro? Like you look problems, me G. And you know, say me is a very, very, very disrespectful youth. And I care less. I care less. Because I don't trouble people. I then have my own world. And I do my own thing. A 3 party me keep for 1 month. Last one keep a Baltimore last night. You hear me? I beg nobody nothing. Eh? Only if we wake up to this big foot, big head batty boy I come call up my name. My youth, leave my name out of your batty mouth, bro. Bro, we ain't friends. You understand me I say? Don't talk about me, bro. Don't talk about me, none at all. None at all, not talk about me, I am a friend. Me no want you give me no hype for nothing, me no want you give me no glory for nothing. Me no want you call me name, me no nothing. No for on a bad mind to wanna see me and gully gotta live. On a bad mind, it a hurt to know. It a hurt to know. When me and singer did kick off, I never hear no man a forward and I say, yo, you and singer for be good back, and you and singer for be friends count and forward from far. Nobody never do that. Nobody at all never do that. You understand? It was singer who is a man and can think for himself, reach out to Flexx and watch her now. We good now and everything alright. What the big talking for? What happened to you? What happened to you? What happened to you? You not like see that? You not like see that? Eh? Me tell you say me I look collaboration. Me tell you say me I look song from people. Bro, it come like you forget who you deal with my youth. Like say sometimes like me not understand where get in your head sometime or where you think like sometimes your demons them just ride you and you just get up and you just feel like if you just call up people name and talk a bag of things and people who you and them and a friend, you feel like if you have them name in your mouth and talk shit and talk where. Bro, my youth, me not like you, my youth. Stop call me name, bro. Simple as that, brother. You no need to talk about me. For bring across no point at all, my youth. The points them that you're bringing across, try make it for yourself without call my name. Take me out of it, my youth. Me and you no friend. Me write you out of my history in a gully side. So write me out of your one to know. Write me out of your history now. Me done write you out of my one, you know. Why you still have me in your history? You ever hear me call? You ever hear me do not interview and call your name or say you do not? You ever hear it yet? I mean the things phony, you know. What you ever do for me yet? What you ever do for me yet in my whole career? What you ever do for me yet? More than fuck a girl with me and fuck and breed her. What the fuck you ever do for me? I mean the things for no. A long time you no bad mind me. A long time you try be like me. A long time you want be like me. And you still not reach the level yet. Me still in my own world. I do my own thing. And watch you now. You still want to put foot over my world. For what? Stay over your place now, brother. From where you getting up, you get up with this narrative. You make Mavado rich and rare. My youth, what you do for Mavado? What you do for Mavado? Talk the truth. What you do for Mavado? If you really sit down and say, yeah, what you do for Mavado? Play a song? Go play some song? A night time? Huh? What? What you do for Mavado? What you do for him? Are you make him have the house on the hill? Are you make him have all of them something there? Okay, so what me would I say then? I mean give me more lime career then. And him for mind me till me dead. I saw no stay on a love man mind, no. I saw you stay from long time. That's why you lose Aishana. Cause you love likes and love man things. I saw you stay from long time. You love man things and you love likes. You love when man give you things and you love watch man things. And you feel like say, if you go play one song for one man, you deserve the world. That's why big man thing, you know. Me not tell a lie, you know. Me feel like you get fuck already, you know. Big man thing, me feel like man fuck you already, you know. That's why you not like Batty man, you know. Yeah. Me feel like you get fuck already. Cause he's a boy a long time, you love likes and licky. See I walk, I tell the world, I'm Mavado for mine you till you're dead. I'm Mavado for mine you. Like, what the fuck? Come on, bro. He's a big man. Be a man, bro. Be a man. Stand on your feet, bro. Stop going like a girl. Stop bitching. Come off of internet, brother. And stop call up people name. You understand me I say? Especially young people who are not good, bro. Why ain't somebody do good and you go up on internet, go call them name me G? Nobody no remember you over here. Nobody remembers you. Me not understand you, dog. Like, you sick or something, brother? You sick? You sick, my youth? Me of all person. Why you talking about me? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Talk about Mavado. You and him come from cassava piece. Me forward from Grand Spen. And me do way more than way for Mavado more than you. And you never hear me walk and talk that yet, brother? You never hear me walk and talk it yet? Things when me and Mavado go through, you and him no go through nothing, you and Singer no go through no history, brother. More than when come from the same place. What happened to you? Come on, man. You need to chill out, bro. You need to chill out, man. Leave gully side history, man. Leave it alone, man. You done mark off your name off a wall and write off yourself off a wall already. So why you still talk? Why you still talking? Why? I never remember a day get up in my life yet and your name come out of my mouth. Never. Much less to go up on internet and I call your name. Like, why you choose? Why you feel like say if you call Flexx name? Me no want no cloud from you. Me no want no hype. Me no want you play me song them. Me no want nothing. I don't want nothing that's from over your side, bro. Nothing at all. You never hear me I say, yo, me nah look bookings for you. Me nah do nothing for you. Me not so what? Oh me, why me I live rent free in your brain? Why am I living rent free in a fucking head? Why? Why? Why you still talking about me? Why? Bro, just leave it alone, me G. And don't call me name in your batty mouth, brother. Don't do it. Go and dig up your dead mama and Nyamar. And I said what I said. See it? Do not trouble people when I trouble you. Remember me, I know some of the people them where you feel like you can't bad up, you know. You can't bad me up, you know. And you can't send gunman for me, you know. Me I know some of them where you feel like you can't bad up and this and take for pussy, you know. Because me know on the style, you know. Remember Flexx in the complex, this. See it? So, when you talk, and you call name, and you say what you say, remember, who for name you call and who you talk about. This is not like some of the people them where feel like say, you can come on internet and through them call your name, you can bully them and diss them and this and that and people afraid. Pussy, me not afraid of you. And I don't think, and listen to me, we not even take it this so. Me just don't want you call my name. Do not call my name. We are not friends, and from we are not friends, that means we are the opposite of friends, which is enemies. And I don't take lightly within your calling my name, whether good or bad. I am from Grand Spen. Yeah, Mavado is from Cassava Piece. Call Mavado name. Call Feme name. Don't try call my name. I don't want no relevancy from you. Me have my relevancy. Me do music, me do. You understand what me I say? Me more relevant than you everywhere in the world. You understand what me I say? Because if you don't come on internet, come talk, you're not relevant. Nobody they ever remember you as selector again. You understand what me I say? So, me don't need no review. I don't need no review. You understand what I say? So simple means say, I don't need you to call my name. I don't need no clout from you. I'm not asking you to play my songs. I'm not asking you to do an ad for me. I'm not booking you to play on my parties. You don't need to talk about me. You don't need to call my name. If you're talking about Mavado, you talk about Mavado because you and him come from Cassava Piece. You understand what I say? Me and Mavado, we don't have our situation already and what? I'm a brother that from day one. So no matter one I say, and no matter one I want chat say. You see me I walk a big collaboration? You know how much collaboration me and singer do? You know how much collaboration we have to drop? You chat too much, not even you chat too much. Mind your fucking business. Mind your fucking business. Don't mind my business. You understand what I say? You need to stop. Don't call me name. Me know why you call me name. You understand what I say? Easy and simple as that. And me I tell you again. Go dig up your dead mama and Nyamar. Don't call me name. Me nah look no relevancy from you, bro. Me nah look no friend from you. Me nah look no hype from you. Me nah look no clout. Me nah look nothing at all from you. Not even friendship. You understand what I say? So I don't know. What I don't understand. In your days, them a glory. Them not give you no hype. Them not talk about you. You understand what I say? Them would have more talk about your downfall and try bring you down. Like when time this brother here look somebody for bring down, and my name him call. Like anytime him feel like say him a look somebody for bring down, or you feel like you feel like say for call Flexx. Brother, right now I'm alright, you know, me in a better position, we better levels than we you could have ever think, you know. Me no need nobody, you know, me no need friends, me no need company, you know. Me's alone, you know. I'm good, brother. Don't call me name, my youth. Me no want a man to call me name, me G. Stop call up me name, brother. Me and you no friend, brother. Me make sure forward pan life, people no notice me is a boy. Me not do them thing, I me just promote my song them and me do. And I don't watch people. I don't care about people lifestyle. I don't care about how they're living. I don't care about what they're doing. I do me. And I been doing me. All when me hungry them can't know. You understand what me I say? I'm a pitney them are my blessings. My kids them when me take care of are my blessings. You understand what me I say? Me no worry about dirty pagan. But when them call me name, me have to crush them like Drummer Roach. Cause this pagan batty boy, me no know him from up a cassava piece, and we was once friends, yes, but we're not friends anymore. He's a pagan. You go like say a good youth, and he's not no good youth. You want batty man. You want pussy for real in a real life. In a real life, he's a real dirty thinking drunk. So me no know who you come try trick her. Trick PR try make people feel otherwise. Like, come on, me G. Stop. Nah, work, brother. Come off of my name. Me I tell you, come off of my name and stop call up my name. Me not like you, me I am a friend. And too long me I talk now, me know say you must get the drift. Cause they must tag you and they must send it over there to you. So me know say you must get the drift, brother. I'm in a back and forth internet thing with no man, brother. Me not in it, me G. Cause I don't trouble you, I don't see you. See how me I live my life comfortable. I'm a birthday month, me in a brother, me I enjoy my birthday. Birthday tour me do. Me no see pagan, me no see people. Come like when you no see people on them level, at them time they wanna feel like say yo, wanna draw them down. Brother, me no see you, brother. Me no see you, me G. So me no know why you go up on internet and call up my name like you never have no topic. Look how much things are going out there. Why you not talk about that? Look how much things are going. Them not kill 5 men in Jamaica yesterday. Why you not talk about that? Why you call my name for? Why my name become a topic to you now? Why? Why? Bro, don't call my name. Leave me alone, my G. I'm not in a back and forth with no man. I'm not in a whole heap of chatting with no man. You understand what I say? If you have a problem with me, and you really want to say something, you know where I'm at. I'm always on the NATO. If I'm not touring, I'm always on the NATO. Right there in Florida. So if you really want to say something, pull up and say something. Not go up on internet and chat your bag of fuckery. Me and you are no friend. Not call me name. Me no want a friend from you. You batty up long time. Me no want a friend from you, brother. You understand me I say? Stop calling me name in your batty mouth, brother. Me and he's no friends. And you can't say me disrespect you. Or you come call up my name. So I care less how a guy want to feel. I care less about a guy. You understand me I say? Me not trouble people. People no go up on my Viva now, go look, go stream my new song and see what it name. Life changes. Life changes. That them thing that I deal with. Music and life. Sing about my life. And sing some odd song. Me not in a mix up with no boy. Me not in a mix up with no chink mouth dirty boy. Some boy the only thing them do is sit down and watch people life and make it be for them. Problem. Don't make what I do or make what happen in my life be a problem to you. And my mistake that. Don't use that as a stepping stone for nothing. Make me use my own mistake as a stepping stone. Now call me name. As me tell you, brother. As me tell you, brother. You're not in my history again. You're right half. You're not then nowhere near my history. So me don't know why you still have me in yours. Me don't know why. Me don't know. Me not even know say you still remember my name, brother. Because me don't remember your one. I swear for my life I don't remember your name. As popular as you might feel like it is, I don't remember your youth. I don't remember you. You understand me I say? So I don't see the reason why you still remember me or you still remember my name. You're not supposed to remember my name, bro. No, you're not time at all. Cause me no see you. Me no see you. You understand what I say? You're invisible to me. May I tell you that, brother? So make me invisible to you. You understand what I say? As much as me living and give thanks to life, Father God, make me be dead to you. Me da appreciate that. Me feel better so. When you me no want you be somebody where I call my name. It's not something good. It's not a good thing. Me no want you to call my name. None at all. For nothing at all. You not do what me do round the camp. All now you not do what me do round the camp. Half hour you not do it. A one line, I must see one line you write in a one song, Dreaming. Was dreaming I was floating on $1,000 bill. One line. And you run down, sing and cuss the man for 5% and deal the man like he for just for 5% off of one song. Youth, let me tell you this. Me and you is two different person. We make up off of two different material. You understand me I say? Two different genes. You understand me I say? You acid wash. You understand me I say? Me have two different something. Don't me no run them joke there, brother. Me not call up your name, my G. Don't call up my name, brother. Keep my name out of your body mouth. You understand? Me no need no cloud from you. Me no need no hype from you, brother. No call me name, my G. Brother, you know say me's a youth where me learn to be more humbler. You understand? But me realize say the humbler me be is the more dangerous me's. You understand what I say? And here we go on now. This is the time for me. Me not business about a boy. This is my time now. For me, do me. Me not need no distraction. Especially from people when I mean you know good. Especially from demons. You understand? You always have the demons them in times like these. You understand them always pull up from all kind of corners and some places. I don't know where them come from. But here with me, you know. You see to me conscious and to me focus. I just take the live to make you know, say, this is not the same Flexx that I used to be. Or this is not the same Flexx that you know. This is a whole different Flexx. Here, I'm not in the back and forth on the internet with no man. Foota hype. Do not call my name out of your body mouth. Stop call my name. Me is no friends and I don't want no friends from you. I don't want no hype from you. I don't want no clout from you. Me no want to go up on the internet and you a call my name. I say no, no. Me no want you call my name. I know them. No, me no want. Nah. Me and you no friend. Me good. When me tell you say me good, me great. Me great. You understand what I say? Me great. So, me no need this. Go and go dig up your dead mama and eat her. Do something with her. You understand? Because I know say you're tired for suck her now. So do something with her. Do something with your mother. You understand what I say? No try come over here so come try it. It nah go work here so. Because you so I don't know where we want to see you. I will want no do it here so brother. You understand what I say? Take your cloud chasing somewhere else. No cloud chasers not there over here, so. You understand? Me na music from before you. You understand what I say? Me na look na hype from you. You understand what I say? Everything where you do now, me I do it before you from me a teenager. Every life where you think you live now, me I live it that long time and now I even better. And you never see me post it up and you never see me do nothing yet like that because me and you are two different person. Just like how now me I come tell you say, another this me want, another hype me want. Another this, another some I thing go. Another some I thing circulate, bro. Another some I thing go. Now call up my name, brother. Leave my name out of your body mouth. Call up whoever name and whoever else name you want to call up. Don't call up my name. Me and you are no friend. You understand what I say? And me I make you know that because I know why you call up my name, brother. Me not like you no time at all. Hate is a strong word, brother, but me not like you. Me and you are no friend, you are my enemy. Yeah, my enemy, brother. When me no want me just stay out of my way, brother. You understand what I say? Stay out of my way, cause me done out of your way years, long time, brother. Why you still in my way? Why you still a call up my name? That's my name important to you? That's you still have to call my name? Brother, leave my name out of your body mouth. Go and go do something with your mother. I don't know what you want to do with her. I don't know where you go do. I don't know if you go dig her up and pray over her, forget her, but I don't know if you go fuck her. I don't know if you go skin her out and suck her. I don't know what you go do to your mother. But do something to your mother and leave my name out of your mouth. Me not guy care less. Do something with your mother. Not call up my name. Because he's a literally madman, like mad, literally. You understand me, I say, brother? Big man thing. Not call up my name, brother. Me not go in your way, me G. So no come in my way, brother. Stay out, stay there, brother. Me in my lane. So me in my lane a cruise. So me in my lane a cruise. Music me a deal with. Each song me a deal with. People check out Water Party. I go drop next week Friday. You understand me? I say I want to go up on my Viva right now. Cause them sitting here on the love, you know. Want to like mix up in here. You know how much bad song me drop? You know how much bad song me drop? Me drop one song less than a month ago named Life Changes. With all the video. But I just that with me. Me always like how me ever do my work in a silence. Me just work in a silence. Me not watch the noise. So when me hear the noise start watch me, if it's negativity, I ain't capitalizing on that shit if it not have nothing to do with me. You understand me? I say me not build my thing under negativity. So me not capitalize on this. Me just make a man know say pussy don't call me name, me I am a friend. Batty boy, me I am a friend. No call me name. If you talk about Mavado, you talk about Mavado. You understand me? I say if me and Mavado have a problem, me go to him and me talk to him about it, and me tell him about it. You understand me? I say, and me that. You understand me? Right there, so. You see me? So, me no want my you. Just stop calling me name, brother. And me no come here ignorant, me no come here so vex. Me no come here so, cause people me under nice vibes, cause my party keep a Baltimore last night and me get a nice turnout. Big up Baltimore people, them, me love you. Me get a nice turnout. You understand me? I say so. Me happy, I'm alright. Me not worry about people, so me don't know how people still remember me. Me don't know how people still have me on their mind. Me don't know how people still come on internet and come call up my name. Brother, talk for yourself and talk for you. Talk for what you do. Talk for what you do. Don't talk for what me do. Talk for who throw you under bus, who do this to you. Not talk for me. I don't need a spokesperson. I don't need a spokesman. You understand me? I say you chat too much, man. You chat too much, man. Come on, man. Blood clot dear brother, you chat too much, mind your business, brother. And sometimes you chat something you don't even know how things go, you get up and a chat. And that's one of the worst things too, you know. Yes, when people love chat and people make people business their own, them always chat where them don't know and end up at chat people and chat some things about people that they don't know. You don't know nothing, brother, so you don't chat. All if you know about it, me know why you call me name, brother. Me know why you call me name, me G, me I tell you. Me know why you call me name. Remember say you can't bad me up, you know. You can't threaten me, you know. You can't, you can't. Bro, me I don't like some little man, some little artists afraid of you, know, and some little man where you can shake them up, you know. And remember say this is not them. This is me. You understand me? I say so. If you're coming to talk about me, which I don't want you to do, me no want you call me name, me I am a friend. You understand me? I say? Not nothing at all. Me no want you boy, me no want you talk nothing about me. Not call me name, brother. Leave me name out of your mouth, brother. In a real life and real talk. And me know say you must get the picture. A long time now me there talk. Me tired. Sleep me I go sleep people. But telling a big mouth, stinking mouth, batty mouth friend say. When name Foota whatever I want name. Batman Foota. Go skin out your mama and tab call me name. No call up me name, me I am no friend. I me no want no friend from you, me no want no clout from you. I may be very disrespectful to you. I am being very disrespectful to you. Go dig up your mama and name her. Me no want no friend from you tab call up me name, me I am no friend. In a real life, I care less who want said this, me no business who want said that. I care less, brother. No call me name, me and you and a friend go suck out your big pussy so dead mama. Right, that's so. Bumbuckler. Done chat.